You hear it all over the news. Our world has big problems. From ecological issues to homelessness around the world, people are becoming more and more concerned with the health of the Earth. But there's a growing threat to the safety of our planet that most people don't even think about. What happens to old tires when they are replaced? Where do they go? There are 1 billion tires produced every year around the world, and more than 200 million old tires are disposed of in landfills, oceans, lakes, and deserts. Imagine if we were able to shred the proliferating mountains of discarded old tires that increasingly pollute our planet, and then use that material to build homes. And not just any homes, but ones that are self-insulated, solar-powered structures able to withstand hurricanes, earthquakes, fires, and floods that will last for generations. An innovative, cost-effective shelter designed to enhance the Earth's environment, constructed entirely by recycling the trash that now defiles it. This is EcoHome. Here's how it works. First, we at Shredded Tire Inc. build a mold of a house. The best way to imagine this is that we build a house with 4 sides and a roof, and then around it, build a bigger house with 4 sides and a roof, leaving a 12-inch gap between the two. Then, we create massive quantities of shredded tires. That's why we're called Shredded Tire Inc. For example, the first EcoHome at 225 square feet required approximately 30,000 pounds of shredded tires, which is the equivalent of roughly 1,500 whole tires, all pulled from landfills. And we combined those shredded tires with a mix of dry ingredients that are made up of an internationally patent-approved cement mixture that results in a minimum 93% SCS Global Certified recycled content. We then take the shredded tires and put them into a cement mixer. The dry ingredients are then added and mixed inside the mixer dry for about 5 minutes. Water is added, and all ingredients are mixed together for about 5 minutes wet. The mixed product is then poured into the cavity of the building and completely sealed to cure. The forms are left in place for 3 days to cure for optimal strength. After 3 days, the molds come off and the entire structure is exposed and ready for finishing touches. We use a fiber-reinforced stucco to cover the interior and exterior walls of the building. As a finished surface, it looks like a normal wall like you would see in a house. The entire structure is self-supporting with no interior support or walls. Is made with one monolithic pour, no cold joints, has an insulation value of R15.72 on the roof and all the walls, is strong enough to support well over 21,000 pounds of weight on its roof. That's the equivalent of 3 elephants on your roof, and, if you needed to, can stop a bullet. With Shredded Tire Inc. and Echo, we can convert an entire mountain of tires into housing for people all over the globe. Our goal is to provide housing for people in third world countries with little resources, build refugee camps, and even complex structures can be made in sections with Echo. Yes, our world has problems, but some of our biggest ones, overflowing landfills, environmental damage, lack of housing in third world countries, we can solve them together with EcoHome from Shredded Tire Inc.